What's going on, paint pouring friends and family? This is Garrick Brown Art Studio, and I'm back with another video just for you, and you are in for a treat. If you saw the sneak peek at the beginning, just buckle that seatbelt because we're going to have fun. We are doing what are we doing? We're doing a Wandering Pour. I've been inspired by Mina Villegas and VR Turner with his bright colors and Mina's amazing ring pours and wandering pours. So I decided to combine them two and see, what I can get. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to press that like and subscribe button, and let's get started. All right, here's the consistency of all of my paints today. So if you saw the previous video, which I will link in the description, I did a 2-to-1 ratio. For this video, I am increasing it to a 3-to-1 ratio. Here is my base paint. It is a dark emerald green color. More like turquoise, actually. It is very thin. I have thinned it down. Don't ask me what this color is because it's a whole bunch of leftover paint mixed up. But I thinned it down with water, so it's considerably thinner than my other paint. We're going to start with 2 cups, and we're going to make them as identical as possible. Now I'm going to put down the remaining of my white just to have something to help the flow of the paint. It's not much. We're going to take our first cup and pour. Wow, what a color combo. The tricky part, turn in the canvas. Look at those colors, y'all. Look at that gorgeous flow. Check out my cup. All right, so it is a little bit different, but that's okay. I did really slow swirls at the beginning, so I tried to do that again, emulate that again. Then I didn't catch up to the speed that I was doing there, but hey. So as you can see, I have a few air bubbles. I'm gonna try and pop those, and I'm gonna attempt to fix that center down there. I'm gonna experiment just a little bit and try to cover this hole up and see what happens. I'm going to try and define a little bit more of a line through the middle because I want that to be a point of interest. It looks really cool, but I want a good point of interest in the center. Patience is key with this technique. I'm loving the movement so far, except for my little hiccup right there. We're going to tilt this side off, and then we're going to come back and tilt this side off. I'm about done, y'all. I'm extremely happy with this. Look at the colors. Every color is there. I need to go in and pop some air bubbles. And I might try and mess with this a bit. I'm not sure yet. And I'm gonna work on this little area down here. But that's about it. Even the sides are gorgeous. Thank you for tuning in with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are a couple other videos that I think you might like. And remember, Do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. I think I like these wandering straight ring pour type of things. So I think I'm going to do a few more. Drop some color suggestions down below, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.